Hello guys, this is Tian, and today I'll be doing a video on unboxing and review of the Audio-Technica ATH M40x. I know these are like 4 years old when they first came out, 4 or 5 years old, but it's brand new, to me at least. And alright, so you can tell from the box, it's very good design on the box. I like it. The box looks pretty big, I mean, to me it is at least. Alright, let's go ahead with the unboxing. It's folded up in here. Doesn't look like there's anything wrong. The shipping box looks a little roughed up. Other than that. And then it comes with the warranty information, etc. And then looks like the pouch. Let me show you guys what that looks like. Nice carrying case. Seems very solid. Feels like leather. I don't think it's leather, but something along those lines. Alright, let me put this off to the side. This off to the side. And here are the headphones. It's pretty good. Let's see what's in here. Oh, in here we have the 3 cables. Looks like 3.5 millimeter to looks like to a 3.5 millimeter cable. Oh, this is a straight through cable. It's a long cable. I'm not sure how long it is, but it's a long one. Then you got the coiled. I think it's called coiled cable. Most likely, I'll probably be using this because it seems more, I don't know, or it doesn't seem messy. This one seems like it can get all over the place, but we'll see about that. And then what do we have here? Oh, just a quick start guide. So these are 40 millimeters. The drivers are 40 millimeters. Let me get this here. The higher end ones, the M50s, I believe they're 45. Correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe 45. There you go. Twist these outside. Just be very. If I were you, I'd be very delicate with them. Kind of nervous about the hinges. They feel good, but you don't want to, do anything too drastic. Here they are. Just be careful how you fold them. It gets a little confusing sometimes, but I got it. So make sure this side is facing down, obviously. The jack there for your headphones. Alright, and the build quality seems pretty good. There's a comfortable band up here. The words Audio-Technica up on top. The padding feels good, although I've heard some complaints about the padding right here. They're not really that comfortable, but only time will tell for me. And then, so I was saying, they're 40 millimeters drivers, and the bass, according to Audio-Technica, and from what I've read, it's pretty flat. Makes it sound really good. 90-degree swiveling of ear cups, easy for travel, etc. These headphones were made for studio tracking, mixing, and as well as DJ monitoring. So that's really good. I'm planning on using it for possibly podcasting, music, YouTube, video editing, some light gaming, etc. And yeah, so 15 to 24,000 hertz. It's a pretty good number. 1600 maximum watts, maximum power, 98 dB sensitivity, and 35 ohms. It's pretty good, And the clip right here is priority, meaning, like, sorry if I'm saying that. It's this cable can only be used for these Audio-Technicas, or for Audio-Technicas. You can't just get any single 3.5 millimeter cable and put it in here. So that's the potential downside. There's a twist to it. Alright, there you go. So I've got them on. I've got it hooked up to my phone via obviously 3.5 millimeter jack. So I'm gonna try them out. I have the coil cable. And okay. okay. For the time being, they definitely isolate the noise. I can still hear myself, but they isolate. It's not noise canceling. And just keep in mind that I guess this is the left side and this is the right side. That's indicated inside. There's R and L. But I'm gonna give it a little. All right, so I play a little music on my earphones. I don't think it would do you guys any justice if I try to play them through the microphone. I'll try. I might try it, but I can tell you right now, it sounds flat, and the bass is really deep. I can hear the bass. I mean, this sounds really good. Better than anything I've ever owned. But then again, I haven't owned much headphones. I'm not an audiophile, but I'm looking to learn more about that and become an audiophile, or whatever you call it, an audiophile. Sounds really deep. It's like wearing glasses and wearing. It's like without glasses, you see blurry. You put them on, whoa. It's kind of like these. Like when you put these on, these are like your glasses for your ears. You're like, whoa. It's like, so it sounds really good. So I can't wait. I'm gonna use these more. I feel they look really good on me. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier. They seem like they're glasses friendly for the time being. They hold really tight around your ear. Seems kind of like this is more keen to someone with smaller ears, but and the padding, it's comfortable, but I can't speak for the long term. Wearing these for a long time, it would seem like they would get uncomfortable because of the pads are here. I guess that's where some people were complaining about the padding around the ears. They end up buying something else, new ones. I might buy new ones, I might not. Just have to wait and see. And take them off here. They're really good. Just be careful how you fold them, because you could potentially break the hinge. So you can fold them up. I'll show you guys. There, you can fold them. Okay, there you go. You can fold them up like this. Very compact. And you can put it into the pouch. I'll show you guys. There's the pouch right here. A minor complaint I have about this particular one is that what you call this, over the head band here, it's kind of uneven. I don't know if it's just because mine's kind of defective or it got damaged during shipment, but they're a little uneven. It's not enough to return. It'd be a pain to return them, but a little complaint there. But other than that, they sound really good. Alright, that's been my video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.